These Polk in-wall speakers vanish. But the sound? Louder than your regrets. 265 RT Review. Ever feel like your home theater dreams are buried under clunky, space-hogging speaker boxes that ruin your vibe? You're not alone. Maybe you've tried cheap wall speakers that promised big sound but whispered like a soggy walkie-talkie. Or you've wrestled with setups that feel more like a NASA project than a living room upgrade. It's frustrating. You want that room-filling, movie theater experience, without the ugly gear, messy wires, or learning engineering. But most in-wall options either sound like wet cardboard or cost more than your rent. Enter the chaos of choice and paralysis of too many options. We've all been there. And that frustration just escalates. Your favorite playlist? Flat and lifeless. Movie night? Dialogues muddy, explosions underwhelming. You've got friends over, but instead of wow, it's wait, where's the sound coming from? You're overwhelmed, stuck between sacrificing style or sound. Deadlines to finish your media room are slipping. You've wasted time and energy on gear that looks cool but sounds weak, or sounds decent but makes your wall look like Swiss cheese. The burnout is real. Your patience is tapped out. You want results. Now. Without selling your soul or your sofa. Now here's the twist. The Polk Audio 265 RT Vanishing Series In-Wall Speaker actually delivers. And no, that's not hype. This triple-threat three-way speaker packs two 6.5-inch dynamic balance drivers, a 1-inch silk polydome tweeter, and patented PowerPort tech that pumps out clean, deep bass, without that annoying boomy mess. The audio is tuned, tight, and cinematic. Oh, and the speaker literally vanishes into your wall. The magnetically secured Sheer Grille is ultra-thin, paintable, and basically invisible. You get rich, room-filling audio without turning your home into a sound lab. Build it into your walls, blend it with your paint, and forget it's even there until the bass drops. Whether you're assembling a 5.1, 7.1, or even Atmos-ready dream setup, this speaker's ready to ride. Polk's reflective room compensation and distance toggle fine-tune the sound to your space. Timbre matched with RTI, Legend, and Reserve series? Absolutely. That means seamless integration and no weird tonal gaps. Installation's a breeze, thanks to perfect fit templates, rotating cam locks, and a one-cut, drop-in design. This isn't a gamble. This is a pro-grade system made stupid simple. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need to want better sound, with zero clutter. Your dream soundscape is literally one click, and one wall cut, away. Still thinking about it? Don't wait too long. These are flying off the shelves. Why? Because people are waking up to the power of hidden sound that doesn't compromise. Thousands of audiophiles, movie nerds, and home upgrade warriors have made the leap, and they're not looking back. Want clarity, bass, style, and invisibility in one package? Buy the Polk 265 RT now before stock runs dry. Seriously, don't be that person refreshing the page next month, whispering I should've hit that link. Grab your gear. Turn up the volume. And never let boring speakers waste your vibe again.